Have you ever wondered how to make that locally owned famous white queso dip? My friends, mine's Cafe de Sol here in Oklahoma City. It's so good. Stick around as we fire up the Kamado Joe and we'll show you how to do it. I don't know about you, but I love easy cleanup. So today we're using an 8x13 aluminum pan, disposable. So easy to throw away when you're done eating this cheesy goodness. But if you want to go fancy, you can use a 12-inch cast iron skillet. I've done that before. And then also something fancy with color, a little baking pan. And you can definitely showcase your recipe and queso recipe with those tools as well. So now let's dive in, show you the simple 8 ingredients to make this simple white queso dip. Here's the 8 ingredients to this white queso. We're gonna be using my dust bowl, which is a garlic buttery goodness, some evaporated milk, 1 can, a whole thing of mozzarella cheese, some Monterey Jack cheese. You can use any kind of white cheese. Also, we've got some white cheese that's cubed, a little scoop of cream cheese. We got some sweet peppers. These are 3 chopped up. We've also got some diced jalapeños right here. And then also some chopped up and diced up cilantro. This is all going into the mix. That evaporated milk is gonna make it nice and creamy and liquidy, just the way we want it. Spread that out. Then we're gonna add, kind of sprinkle the sweet peppers all the way around. Again, we've already got a scoop of cream cheese. And then I'm gonna do the same thing, spread out that diced jalapeno. And go ahead and do the same thing with the cilantro. You can put this on at the end, but I like to just go ahead and put it all in there. And then we're gonna put this all through here. It's gonna blend really well. We're gonna get really thick and then creamy. This is gonna help it make it really thin though. And then this is some dust bowl, just to your taste and liking. And we are set to go. We're setting up the Kamado Joe for 250 degrees, indirect smoking with lumped charcoal with 1 wood chunk. It's post oak. Very mild smoke. It's just gonna give it a little extra smoky flavor, but again, mild. And then we're gonna smoke this for 1 hour, and then at the 30-minute mark, just like that, we will stir it. And once we stir it, we're letting it all congeal together and smoke for that last 30 minutes. And we'll be ready for that cheesy goodness that you've been waiting for. If you wanna level up your game, we're gonna be making our own tortilla chips. We're gonna be getting some yellow and white corn tortillas just like this. We're gonna be slicing them. Then we're gonna do a little frying action. Let me bring you in, show you how to do it. It's another way to kind of level up this cook and impress your neighbors. You can also use store-bought. I have some as well, but let's bring you in and let's get to it. All right, we're gonna take these tortillas and we're gonna just do a little slicing. And just like that, turn it around. We're doing it in 4s. So you have a chip just like that. Well, now we're gonna fry these just for a few seconds. It doesn't need long. All right, friends, we are at that 30-minute mark. Now it's time to stir this goodness together. Oh man, just it smells incredible. Hopefully you can begin to see how all of this is coming together, and even how this pot or this aluminum pan is a really perfect mixture, and it makes it easy to dispose of when you are done. But it just coming together looks so good. Another 30 minutes and we are set to go. All right, we have finished up this white queso dip. It's so good. We made some homemade tortillas, showed you that simple step. And all you've got to do is dip this in there. It's so good. Loving how this turned out. The liquidy, look at that. Goodness. Now the flavors on this cheese are so good, how it all melted together. My Dust Bowl just totally amplifies it. It's that garlic butter taste in here as well. It's so good, makes me just want to go for another dip. I'm so tempted. About to get off camera to feed my family this amazing dip. My friends, let me know in the comments if you've tried this before or what you think of this recipe. And if you're looking for other awesome backyard recipe, specifically another queso dip, check out this video here. I would love for you to check out how to cook another queso on the Kamado Joe. And again, from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love. Good barbecue.